What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So I was about to set up my car for some car camping, and I figured, why don't I show y'all the entire process and what it takes to set up my car for car camping. So let's get started. So this is my 2013 Nissan Xterra. When I was buying a new vehicle, I wanted something that was off-roadish, very spacious, had to be white, had to be 4x4, and this is what I landed on, the 2013 Nissan Xterra. This car is awesome. It is perfect for what I do, which is why I picked it. So on the back of the car, I do have this bike mount. It holds 2 bikes, but whenever my car is in car camping mode, I do not need this rack because I have a mount on the inside where my bike stays. I do like this rack, but the only thing I don't like is it's out in the public. When I'm out in public or camping, my bike will be outside the car, and I do not like that. Anyone can walk up and take it, and that is not good. So I have a mount on the inside as well, and that is where my bike stays when I'm car camping. So I do not need this mount once I get the car in car camping mode, but let's go ahead and start setting up the car. So first thing I do is I take out the head mounts, or the headrest. These have to go. The seats come up just like that, and I will do that on both sides. So now we have this. So Nissan Xterras have a hidden compartment right here, and that is where the car jack goes. So once I have this in car mode, I have a sleeping box right here, and that covers up the car jack. So I always take that out in case I ever need it. I do not want to be driving down the road, get a flat tire, and that be stuck under my box. That would be horrible. So all those tools come out. Next thing I do is take out the seats. The seats come out as well. All I have to do is flip up this switch. Got 2 switches, and then that whole piece just comes out just like that. Super easy. Same thing on the other side. Flip up the switches, and the seat comes out. The next thing is I pull down this seat. Do the same thing over here. And now we have a nice flat surface to work with. Since I don't need the bike mount anymore, I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. So now we're left with all of this room. We got a flat surface. I made this custom box to fit in my Xterra. This box is my sleeping platform, and it is some storage, and it works amazing. So if I just threw the box back here, it would move around as I'm driving, and that would not be good. So what I had to do was build this brace. So this acts as a brace for the box, and it is also my mount for my bike. So it's 2 in 1. And first thing I have to do is hook this up to the Xterra. So Xterras come with these tracks built in. You got one on each side, and they come with these pins to tie things down. Well, I modified it and made this little brace. This brace will sit just like so, and I use the tracks and these little pins to hold that down in place. So first thing I need to do is screw those in to tie it down. Alright, so the first piece is screwed on, and that is basically a bike mount. But I have that second piece back there in the back. That piece will go right here, just like that. And basically what that does is it lifts up the box and levels it out. You can see the back of the car, it drops down. So that piece just levels out the box. It sits right there, and then it sits right here. It's all level. So next step is adding the box. So the box has been in the shed for a while, so I'm just going to vacuum up all that grass real quick. Alright, next step is to screw in the box. I got 8 screw holes down here, and I'm just screwing the box into this brace right here. So now the box is screwed in, and it cannot go anywhere. It can't slide around as I'm driving all crazy. Now I just need to throw in the drawer So here is how the car looks with the box. The bike goes here, it stands up, and then I sleep on that side. So I sleep on top of the box, and this is the storage. This drawer is awesome. I had this thing fully packed, no problems. Slides good. It holds a lot of stuff. So I actually made a new mattress for this, and I'm pretty excited to see how it looks and feels. I slept on it last night here at my mom's house, and it's pretty comfortable, so I cannot wait to actually be car camping and try out the mattress. It's gonna be awesome. But first, I want to fill up the drawer with all my camping stuff. First, the tools, in case I ever get a flat tire. These always go in first. Alright guys, there is everything. As you can see, it holds a lot of stuff. Got my tackle bag, all my biking gear. We got a minnow bucket, a fishing net, my kayak paddles. We got this Coleman twin size air mattress just in case I need it, you never know. We got the pan for catching cooks, duct tape just in case, again you never know. A thing that is full of water, kind of like emergency water. This cup is like super insulated and it keeps everything cold and hot. Back here we got my life jacket. We got my pole for my GoPro on the kayak. We got a flashlight. And then back there we have that car jack, some binoculars, and then of course those two red chairs. So it holds quite a bit of stuff. I love this thing. If I didn't have that box, all of this stuff would be scattered all throughout the back of my car, and it's just not good. It looks super clean. It hides everything. No one can see what I have back there through the window. All they see is the gray top of the box. So next thing I'm going to do is hang up my fishing poles, and to do that I just hang them up with a bungee cord on this hook, and it goes all the way to the front of the car. So I have 3 poles that are always with me in my car, and I just keep them strapped together with this little bungee, just like so, and they stay together. So here is the fishing pole setup. It is just bungeed up to right there. The poles go all the way to the front, and they sit on top of this handle and underneath the visor, so they stay up there, no problems. So next thing I want to do is add the bike. This is the bike mount right here, real simple. Alright, for the bike mount I do have to take off the front tire, pull out the through axle, take the front tire off, and just throw it in. Once the bike is in, I just put the through axle back through and tighten it up. The front tire goes right here. It just sits there. And there is the bike inside the car. Alright, so next thing I want to do is add the mattress on top of the bed platform, which goes here. So I used to use one of these pool floaties, and that worked for a little bit, but it always went flat. And also every time you moved, all you would hear was this. That was pretty annoying. So the other day I made me a brand new mattress. So when I sold my house and my bed, I made sure to keep my 3-inch topper that I had on my mattress, just for this reason. Alright, so here is the new mattress. Like I said, it is a 3-inch topper. I cut a queen size mattress right in half, and it fit perfectly inside a zipped up sleeping bag. So that was pretty awesome. So that is my new mattress that I'm going to use on this bad boy. Alright guys, so here is how it looks with the mattress in there. It looks pretty good. It's a pretty good fit for not even measuring or anything. I just threw it in a sleeping bag and it works out awesome. It is a little too long. It does have to fold up here. And there's the mattress, you can see. 3 inches of mattress, which is super soft. This is gonna be way better than that air up floaty for sure. I'm gonna move this seat up. Let that fall down. And then move the seat back over that so it won't be so ugly sticking up. Alright, so that's a little better. It won't be all up in the passenger's face. Man, it looks so epic. There's my supper, by the way. Had to take a little break and eat. I'm on a keto diet, so it's basically a burrito without the tortilla. Here is the pillow I will be using. Actually, I need to go grab the other blanket too. But yeah, that looks so sick. I love it. Alright guys, here is the finished product. We got the bike over here. We got the sleeping platform. We got the 3-inch mattress. Another sleeping bag on top of that. The pillow up there. Then we have all the storage. So everything I need for mountain biking, all my tools for my bike, fishing, kayaking, all fits in this one box. And that is pretty freaking awesome. And then up here we got the fishing poles hanging in the ceiling. Pretty awesome setup, and I cannot wait to use it. Alright guys, so that is how I set up my car for car camping. I still need to put a ice chest up front. It goes right between the bike and the box. But I will do that later when I'm actually going camping, which I'm going to be doing in a few days at Powder Canyon with the bike. I'm going to be riding the bike for a few days non-stop until my legs basically fall off. It's going to be awesome, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.